Artificial intelligence is a sector that I am heavily invested in for 2024. I own dozens and dozens of projects in this space, and many of them have already done 20 to 40x returns. But there are a couple of smaller cap projects that I've been looking at recently that I've started to share with you. And if you haven't been following me on Twitter, I want to do a full breakdown on a project called Synthetic AI, because Synthetic AI is only around a $6 to $7 million market cap. It's less than $10 million. It's a protocol based on AI agents and data manipulation that ultimately allows for synthetic data creation of almost unlimited scale and complexity. And this is one of the biggest advantages, in my opinion, of Synthetic AI, because their service is necessary for people who wish to train foundational AI models, fine-tune existing ones, or use synthetic data in customer-oriented products. So the symbol of this token is SAI. You could see that on CoinGecko. It says it's right around a $6 million valuation. Over the last month or so, it has performed pretty well. It's up right around 218% for the last 14 days, 32% over the last 7 days, and it's just been consistently trending higher and still only at a $6.3 million valuation. If you go ahead and look on markets, it's available on Uniswap right now, but has plans on listing on other exchanges very, very soon. So like I said, it is a new project, but the thing I like about it is the mission and what they're actually trying to solve. I think that's what, and one of the many reasons why they performed so well since launching, is because they have a product that people really believe in, and it's in the artificial intelligence sector. So you don't want to just invest in any random AI crypto, but you want to pick out the ones that have, a lot of utility, solving real world problems, and ones that are, seeing a rapid growth in the community. And that's exactly what Synthetic AI has. So if you go ahead and look on their Twitter, it's only been around for a little while, but you can see that they have been consistently getting a lot of support on their posts. You can see this post just from the other day has 19,000 impressions. You can see this one has right around 3,000 impressions. They do consistent AMAs where they're interacting with their community, which is something you love to see, because then, you could put at least like a face or a name to a project. And that's when their CTO was answering questions live. And with Synthetic AI, symbol SAI, I think it has a lot of potential because of what it's doing. So we dive a little bit deeper into exactly what it does. It says, look, Synthetic AI is a set of tools for generating synthetic data used in training artificial intelligence. They say this service provides machine learning specialists with tools for creating synthetic data tailored to their needs. They offer a wide range of data generation methods that allow creating data sets for various types and formats, such as images, videos, text, audio, and tabular data. If you look at the About Synthetic Data section, it says, look, ultimately synthetic data are artificially created data sets that imitate real data, but do not directly contain confidential or personal information. They're generated with the help of special algorithms and models that can reproduce various characteristics and structures of real data. And the thing is, and the reason why I think this is so important, is because one of the biggest problems, and they talk about it here, one of the biggest problems that machine learning specialists face is the limited access to real data. And this can be caused by privacy constraints, data unavailability, or limited volume. So their project provides a unique approach to solving data access problems by providing a tool for generating synthetic data. So they use advanced data generation methods based on machine learning and deep learning technologies, allowing them to create data that is highly realistic and suitable for training various types of models. And for this reason, I did buy quite a bit of their tokens. So during this video, we're also going to buy a little bit more. So really, it's simple to go about buying. You can go ahead to CoinGecko, click on markets, and it'll show you right here, Uniswap. You just have to click on this. It's going to say live chart, and it'll bring you to Uniswap, where you can see it automatically uploads their token right there. So I have right around $29,393 in USDT. If we want to go ahead and buy some SAI tokens, let's just put, let's say $5,000 in here. We're going to get 765,000 tokens, and let's go ahead and click swap. So once we click on approve and swap, you'll see that you're going to have to do the few different confirmations that are just pretty standard for Uniswap. We're going to click on next. We're going to click on approve. And then it says approval pending. We're going to have to sign another message, confirm swap. Just pretty simple standard stuff when you're buying a token. But the reason why I want to buy this token and I'm so bullish on it is because it's in the AI sector. It's solving a real problem and it's seen tremendous growth among its community over the last few weeks, really since its launch. And I think it's not going to slow down anytime soon. So you can see that it says swap failed. So ultimately when that happens, you just have to then sometimes adjust your slippage. So we can adjust slippage. Let's just put in 10% custom, and we'll try this again. So let's click on swap, confirm swap, and once we click on confirm, we should be pretty good to go. So that's, a key lesson for a lot of you guys is that when you're trying to swap a token, a lot of times for smaller cap projects, you have to adjust slippage. That's something that's crucial for any smaller market cap project because a lot of times the trades won't go through unless you adjust that slippage. So whenever I'm trying to trade some of these smaller projects, I adjust it to 10% because then you pretty much know your trade's going to go through. And you can see, look, it says swap is successful. Now I have 763,658 SAI tokens. So I just bought a ton of these tokens. I think this could easily be a 10x project in the next month or two alone because of the narrative around artificial intelligence. And I know a lot of you guys say I talk about a lot of projects, but you don't see me actually buying them. So I thought it was about time we actually buy the project live in the video that I'm talking about. So let me know your thoughts on this project, but I'm extremely bullish on it right now. And I'm curious to see your thoughts on it as well. So you can see that their roadmap has a ton of plans moving forward of what they plan on doing. You can see it's built out all through the end of Q4 2024. You can see it says Q1 is launch Synth Lite, then Synth Governance, Synth Hub, and Synth OS. There's just a lot of stuff to be excited about with this token. And you guys saw I'm buying it. I'm going to be holding it for quite a while. I'm not going to sell a singular token until at least hits, over that $100 million market cap. I might scale up along the way, but we'll see what happens. Either way, excited to see what happens with this project, and let me know your thoughts.